Hello, welcome to Todd Miller TV. Joined here today with Troy Weatherly, who is a lender with Guaranteed Rate Mortgage. Troy, great to have you on.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so Troy, it seems like when a lot of people go to a lender, they give them their social, they tell them how much money they make, and then the lender tells them, you qualify for this much, okay? But then when we get down to the nitty-gritty, they're being asked for like all this paperwork. What are some of the things that you need from them to like actually do a loan, and what is the reasoning behind having those?
Sure, absolutely. So you brought it up. First, we meet with the buyer to do the loan application. That's basically the blueprint to determine, okay, what's your credit look like? Do you have income? Do you have some money in the bank? Can you basically buy a house? So once we have kind of figured that out off the blueprint, we need the bricks and mortar. We need the actual pieces from the client to substantiate as evidence what they told us on the loan application. Okay. So things that they need. We need the most recent 30 days paycheck stubs from them. We need their W-2s for the past 2 years. We'll need their tax returns for the past 2 years. And we'll need their bank statements for the past month. All these items combined allow us to take a look at and compare what they told us on their loan application with what they actually make so we can substantiate it. And when we do that, especially at the beginning of the application, we can prevent any of those roadblocks or hurdles because we won't be getting them at the last minute in the 11th hour.
So it's totally okay for a buyer to, because what they all want to do is they want to get to the fun part first. They want to just run right out there, see a bunch of houses, and make an offer. And then once they get to secure the house, then they deal with the loan part. And it's frustrating for us on the real estate side, because here we are working, doing all this stuff, and then a lot of times they end up not really being able to qualify for a loan. So is that something like, would you say that, like, what percentage of the people you work with have already picked out the house?
Most people put the cart before the horse.
Okay.
They see what they want, and they want to call you real estate agents on the phone and say, come show me this house, I want to buy this house. And then they go backwards and go, oh, I need money to buy this house because I don't have the $200,000 or $300,000 cash that I might need to buy the home. So now I have to go get a loan, and they work backwards. Agreeing with you, the best procedure would be, let's meet with the lender first and find out how much you can buy. What can we show on paper that you can actually afford? And then let's go look for the house, because expectations start here and sometimes drop all the way down to here, and then there's disappointment, and it's harder to help them find a home.
The name of your company's Guaranteed Rate. What's the guarantee?
The guarantee is that we're going to give you the best customer service, overall rate and fee package of any other lender out there.
Okay. If they want to call you, how can they call you?
They can reach me directly at 702-308-9821, or my email address is troy.weatherly@guaranteedrate.com.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, so that concludes today's video, and so now you know what you're supposed to do when you buy a house. You get the loan pre-qual, and you get the loan approval, and do all that up front, and then you worry about buying the house after that. So anyway, that's my update for today, and hope to see you on another video.